Well guys, that was catastrophic yesterday, and I gotta trace this line, find it, pull it into the intake, and it's running through the engine, so. Oh baby. Alright, so I guess this bulb is bad. Alright, so that bulb's bad, so we'll get a replacement for that one. There it is, the Honda Insight. And there's the old light switch arm, and we're going to put this light switch arm in. Alright, there's a couple of Phillips underneath this cowl. And this cowl is loose. Like, it doesn't have any in it. So, which is funny, it's another story. My mother-in-law feels like the last place she took her car to took some of her parts. Because the guy running the small shop in Monroe, I forget what it's called, has an Insight as well. Because apparently, whatever issue she thought she had, maybe she didn't have. And anyway, her battery went missing, something else went missing. So yeah, she won't be going back there again. And it would be nice if there was a lever on this to drop it down. But it doesn't, so man, she doesn't have any screws like anywhere anymore, even in this dash bevel up here. Somebody was not taking care of you, my little car. There you go, snap that back in for her. So I want to see if I can get a little Phillips in here. Look, there's just a couple of screws there, and hopefully I can switch this out without having to remove half the dash. Grandma's fine china, she's stuffed under her seat from the thrift store. Oh, she's such a sweet lady. Who knows what's else under there? Probably Jim Hoffa. I do not want to take this dash apart. What the hell? Alright, thank you, Scott. Cool Brick. Check out his channel. So there's 4 12 millimeter bolts. Hold the column up. So if I pull those, it'll drop down, and then I got access to this lever without having to take the dash out, so that's good. Just push the dash back in. Lands on that bolt that's just barely on the end of that fastener. I can hopefully have enough slop in this to get access to what I'm working on. It looks like I might. Just want to get this signal lever out. And I got these 2 Phillips screws out of it. Oh, it's got a little snap clip right there. Alright, now this clip in the back is keeping me from coming out. No, I'm coming out. Alright, cool. So I think her issue was that she was not... She was turning on her light, and the only thing that's working is her brights. So I'm going to go ahead and turn her lights on. I don't see the lights coming on. Maybe the car needs to be on. Actually, that was her running lights, and these are her lights, so let's see if the lights are on now. Yep, the lights are on, so. And I don't see the signal for the brights in the dash. I don't know where her keys are, but she probably took them with her. I'm not sure where her... Let's see if that should be her regular lights. So let's see if this is her brights right here. When I flip the lever back like that, see if it's brighter. Yeah, it definitely is brighter. So flip it back to regular. And not as bright. Let me double check real quick just in case I'm fooling myself. So that's switch forward is brighter, and it definitely is brighter. So I'm thinking her issue is fixed then, because that was her complaint, was that her light switch was not working when the regular lights were engaged. So let's go back to the one that's broken. So she already had the brights on, so that's normal lights right there. No lights. Yep, just like she said. Now we're going to brights. And yeah, her brights are working. So yep, it's a faulty switch arm. And I'll go ahead and button this thing up. Feel the burn. A little tool fingering. Yeah.
So tonight, you the best. That will breeze coat chips. French and hail. It's a spell from a queen, king on tail. Give a life, I'm alive.
Then I took it apart. Except I'm going to go look at my mess of bolts and see if I can't get her column bezel attached up, at least with one screw. See how many screws I can find in my mess. I'm actually surprised that they got this chunk of steel in here with it being a Honda Insight, and I would think that would be aluminum since the chassis is aluminum. This cowl all up. See, I got the rubber ring going around there correctly. Now I just need to find some of these. Okay, so usually these screws for that steering column cowl or machine screws. Before I go dig in, make sure I don't have a box of goodies here and see if we can't. Heck, I might have to take one off my car just so I can remember what they look. Check out this Integra he's got. I think he might be in his Integra. Let's see. No, he's in his Subaru. Looks nice, huh, guys? Can I do this? Is it okay? I have my little DIY channel that I'm doing now.
Back, you be on goodie stack, keep you strong with a bone. She meant my dong, I can't feel it. You wanna be all up.
Yeah. Oh yeah? How would that run? Oh, I thought you said you got tabs. You got, oh. Yeah, so you get like a whole new rear end now.
Yeah, whole new bumper.
Right on. I like that. That's a glass half full kind of guy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It could be worse.
Totally. Well, I think I found one in the junk box, so let's see if it'll fit. So at least she has one in that column shroud. Better than none, I suppose. It's supposed to have 3. Yeah, I don't know. This thing's kind of big. Oh yeah, this is definitely too big. All right, Grams. Well, I tried. All right, and Vince took off. He needed some oil feed lines for his turbo build. It's sad though. He said he sold his Integra. I wish you guys could have seen it. It was super clean. It was like a, what was it, 94, 95. Super clean. Red. I mean, super clean. But he needed money to finish his build. So yeah, he just happened to see that car while he was on Craigslist looking for something else for super cheap, and he just couldn't pass it up. And it was a good thing he didn't, because he made some good money off of it. Anyway, yeah, we'll see you on the next one.